Hey guys, in this video we will solve the bandit challenges from Over the Wire, so let's get to it. Level 0. The goal of this level is for you to log into the game using SSH. The host to which you need to connect is this one here, on this port, and the username is bandit0 and the password is bandit0 as well. Once logged in, go to level 1 page to find out how to beat level 1. To connect via SSH, we use SSH, then we use the username, which is bandit0, then and we use the host, so this is the host, so we use this, we paste here, and then we specify the port with the switch P, like so, and the port is this one. We click enter and we entered up the password, which is this one. Let's see. Okay, and we are now connected. So let's list these to see if we have here anything. So we have a readme file, which is a text file, and we can use cat to read the contents of this file. So let's see. Congratulations on your first steps into the Bandit game. Please make sure you have read the rules at this URL, and if you are following a course, workshop, walkthrough or other educational activity, please inform the instructor about the rules as well and encourage them to contribute to the OverTheWire community, so we can keep these games free. The passwords you are looking for is this one, so I would say that this is the password for the next level. So let's copy this. Let's open this text editor and insert it here. Okay, so let's go to the next level. The password for the next level is stored in a file called readme, which we already know because we saw that file, we printed the contents of that file, and we saw our password, which was this one here. So let's jump to the next level, which is this. The password for the next level is stored in a file called dash, located in the home directory. So let's log in using the same SSH command, but this time we will use the username bandit1. So level 1, bandit1, level 2, bandit2, and so on, okay guys? So enter. Okay, so we copy the password that we retrieved from our previous challenge and we paste it here. Okay. We are in. Let's list the contents of our current directory, and here we have our file, the file that we need, okay, that has our passwords. However, let me just tell you that these are hidden files. So every file that begins with a dot means that is a hidden file, because if you just use ls, so list, the command list, you will see that those files aren't listed, okay? Every time that you list a directory that has hidden files, or you think that that directory can have hidden files, you use ls-all, okay guys? Like so. Another thing is that every time that you have a file that is called exactly a sign like this, for instance, commands like cat interpret the dash, so this dash, as a special symbol meaning, so read from standard input rather than as the literal file name, okay? The system won't read this as a file name, but as, for instance, a special symbol, okay? Because sometimes when you have ls, for instance, you need to use a dash and all. And the cat is the same, because if you use cat dash h, sorry, we need to use help and two dashes, you will see that you can use cat along with a switch. So every time that you use cat and the file name is dash, the system thinks that you will pass a switch, okay? So it won't read any file called dash. To read a file that is called dash, we need to use ./, okay guys? And then we pass the name of the file that in this case is a dash, and enter. The command will tell with the cat command that we want to read a file called dash that is located on our current directory. Okay, guys? And here we have our our password. So we copy this, we paste it here below, and we exit this because we don't need it anymore. So let's jump to the next level, level 2. Okay, so to log in, we just need to use the same command as I told you before, and we will change the username to 2, like so. We copy the password, we paste it here. Now, the password for the next level is stored in a file called spaces in this file name, located in the home directory. So let's see. ls all, and here we have the file. Now, let me just tell you that when you have a file in Linux-based systems, of course, when you have a file that has spaces, you need to insert the name of that file between quotes. And this is because if you do not insert this name of the file between quotes, our system will think that you are passing different commands. So interpret spaces as a command, in as a command, this as a command, and file name as another command. So what we need to do is insert the name between quotes, like so, cat, and then we copy this because it's much easier, and we paste it here like so. And here we have our password. But let's use cat without the quotes to see what happens. As you can see, we can't have any spaces between the file names. So every time that you name a file in Linux-based systems, give it an underscore, for instance, to separate each word, okay guys? So as you can see, it gives an error. The best thing that you can do is to use underscores, or if you have a file with spaces, use quotes. So we will copy the password here and paste it here, sorry. We can exit this and let's jump to the next level. So let's log in, level 3, like so. We copy the password, we paste it here, and we are in. Okay, let's see. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. So let's see. First, let's see where are we. So our current directory. To do that, we use the command pwd, which stands for print working directory. So we are currently on our bandit 3 directory. So let's change to the root directory, like so. Let's list these. Okay. Now to find our in here directory, we can use locate and then in here, okay? Locate not found, so we can use find dash name and then in here, like so. Okay, let's see.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we have in these directories a directory called in here. So I think that the one that we want is this one. So we are currently in this directory, so we just need to use ls, sorry. No, we are not currently in this directory. We need to change to that directory because I changed to the root directory. So cd home bandit 3 ls all, and here we have the directory. Okay, so cd in here ls all, and here we have our hiding from you, okay, file. So let's see the contents of this file. Let's use quotes. I will copy this and paste it, and here we have our flag, okay? So we copy the flag, we paste it here, like so, and we exit this. And we go to the next challenge. Okay, so let's log in with bandit 4. Let's copy the password, let's paste it, and let's see. Okay, we are in. Let's see what we have here on the next level. The password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. Let's see, lns-all. Here we have our in here directory, lns-all. Okay, so as you can see, all these files have something in common, which is dash file. Okay, so all these files are named dash file. However, they have 00, 01, etc. The fastest way that we have to see the contents of these files is using the cat command. Because the files begin with the dash, we need to use / as we did previously. And what we can do is insert the only thing that all these files have in common, which is the first letters and of course the dash. With this command we are telling, please print the contents of our current directory of this file, but this file doesn't exist. We have dash file 00, dash file 01, etc. So what we can do is add this that stands for all. So with this command we are printing all the contents of all files that begin with dash file that are found in the current directory. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this is our flag. Okay guys, so let's copy this. Okay, now we can exit this because we don't need it anymore, but we paste the command here. So if you have any questions, please leave those in the commentary section down below and I will try to help you, okay guys? So let's jump to the next level. Okay, so let's log in, but with Bandit 5, like so. Let's copy this password, paste it here, let's see, and we are in. So let's see. The password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all of the following properties. So the file is human readable, has these bytes in size, and it's not executable. Let's see, cd in here, lns-al, and as you can see we have here a lot of files, but we can't search one by one because it will take us a lot of time. So instead of that we can use this command. Let me just tell you that this command will look through every file in the current folder, in this in here folder, and of course its subfolders, so on these folders here, and show any text matching exactly 32 letters, because if you see, the common thing that all these passwords have is that all they have 32 letters or numbers in a row, okay guys? So basically this command will search through these directories and subdirectories for a string that has 32 letters or numbers, and of course letters and numbers, okay guys? So let's see. And here we have, okay, so let's copy this. Of course that I don't know this by mind. You can always search on Firefox for commands like this, okay guys? So let's go to our next challenge. So let's log in with user bandit6, like so. Let's copy the password, we paste, and we are in. Okay guys, so let's see. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all of the following properties. Is owned by the user bandit7, owned by the group bandit6, and has 33 bytes in size. So the command that we can use is the following, I will show you, is this one. So this command will find all the files that aren't executable, okay guys? We'll search on all directories and subdirectories, of course, for a file that is owned by the user bandit7 and by the group bandit6 and has the size 33 bytes, okay guys? Let's run this command and it says that the file that we want is here, okay? So let's see, we copy this and we use cat, and here we have the password. So let's copy this, add it here, and let's move on to the next level. Okay guys, now let's log in with user bandit number 7. We will copy the passwords. And we are in, so let's see. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word millionth. Okay, so we have a command called grep that will search for something on the file that you specify. So we can use grep, insert the word millionth, like so, and then the name of the file, that in this case is data.txt. So basically grep will search for this word in this file, and because our password is next to this word, we should be able to retrieve our password. So let's see, and here we have it. Okay guys, so we copy this, we paste it here. And this is it guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye!